can you please join us?
Ayun, thank you for watching with us. This is actually your first time also all together watching it with you guys. So super special to. And please, if you enjoyed it, please tell your friends, your family, your co-workers to watch it. May 1 na po nationwide. No? Thank you so much.
Okay ba? Natuwa ba kayo? Please post about it sa social media. Alam ko naman lahat kayo may Facebook, may Instagram, tsaka meron kayong mga TikTok. Upload it na lang. Huwag yung film, yung nagagandahan kayo. Ang galing-galing ng ng cast natin, pati yung director natin.
Yes, first time namin sa Modern. And ewan ko, parang hindi ko maiisip na ako yun. Na ako si Aida. Hindi ko lang magagawa yun kung hindi dahil kay Direk and of course kay Mon. So, thank you talaga.
I don't know why. I don't know how I'm gonna go about this. I'm like super excited right now. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked it. It was definitely challenging. Probably the best project I've ever done. And I was really glad that I did it with Gino, first of all. And of course, the one and Sally G, thank you for bringing this story to life. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
At this time, we will have our Q&A right at this moment. So I have here list of names that I will call in for the questions. But after this,
Evan.
Evan. Just raise your hand and we'll give you the microphone. Alright, so
Isa pa.
your
1, 2, 3.
first question will be coming from Mark Magalia of Maganda Pagmuli. Mark, okay, up here.
Question for Evan and Marco. After watching the film, ano yung pakiramdam? Now that you've watched it, ano yung...
Grabe na kasi niya ako dun sa kay Rose. Ano ba yan? Tapos nung nalaman natin na meron pala siyang girlfriend. Tapos narinig ko rin lahat. So nakakatawa lang na parang sobrang, alam mo yung narinig yung tawa, yung mga iyak na lang, or basta mga comments yung lahat, narinig namin kanina. So ako natutuwa ako personally.
Yeah, definitely. Like, we just wanted to bring a story that people could relate to, and I hope. Have you guys related to the movie?
Yes.
It feels good. Sometimes with the projects you have, you feel cringe, and medyo ka proud. But with this one, I'm definitely super proud of it. Really happy about it.
Okay, and for Direk, kasi I'm just wondering, saan sila nagkape?
Natin.
Tignan natin. Baka may sequel to. So, let's go for the best. If it does well, I hope there's a sequel. Kasi ang dami pa nalang kwento na pwede puntahan. No? May lapse of 2 years and may future pa na nangyari. So, sana.
Ako alam ko kung saan sila nagkape.
Saan?
Doon sa Pula at Dilaw.
Saan?
Yung Pula at Dilaw.
Kung saan sila nagtagpo?
Sa McDo, din.
Okay.
Alright, for the next question, we have Falcon Ramon, TikTok content creator and influencer.
First and foremost, congratulations to sobrang grabe. Kala ko, kung i-base ko yung post myself, para na kayo sa
much you make noise and how much this gets across as much as possible. I love to work with Marco, and again, I think marami pang pwedeng kwenta sa characters nila. So, ayun. Yeah. And I love that.
May title na tayo para sa part 2 kasi marami akong librong sinulat eh.
And for Martin, may bagay sila parang hindi siya straight, dahil parang nagtanong ka, parang ang sarap ng balls mo. Oo, naramdaman ko yung tao yun.
Oo, masarap yung balls na kinain ko. Kasi siguro 30% ng script or ng buong movie, parang si Direk, binibigyan niya kami ng freedom to like improvise. So, basta nandun yung context and maalala namin for the next shot. Ganun yung nangyayari. So, yes, actually, yung isa sa mga favorite scenes ko, yung kwek-kwek, kasi sobrang natural ng banter.
No, it was fun. It was definitely like the fact that I gave us again like the freedom to play with lines, and a lot of the scenes that were ad-libs in it, and I think that's what made it in a way natural, just because it was freeing and it wasn't sticking to the script. Even the fight, the guys noticed the sweat on the guy. Yeah, it was 3 hours long because of the different shots, but yeah, I love the improv kind of thing.
We found that you were doing action with fast email. And lastly, my last question, paano kayo nag-prepare sa heavy scenes na kayo English?
I used to not do this, but then Heaven taught me a way where kapag may heavy scene like tapos hindi ko hindi niya talaga ako makakusap. Like, as in, she's gonna start acting mad towards me, or lagi na lang ako nagulat. Shit, ba't ginawa ako? Like, may sinabi ba ako naman, tapos siya create sequence kahit mabigat. Okay, you know, alam ko na. But, yeah, definitely, we have a way how to get ourselves into that moment, and we're just, you know, she gets all close up, ako naman, automatic na earphones, and, you know, I would just start thinking how would it feel to lose her, and, you know, it just adds up.
Ako po kasi, favorite ko yung mga heavy scenes. So, for me naman, as long as alam ko yung nangyayari sa storya, doon ako nakakakuha. Pero malaking factor na ginagawa ko with Marco. Just because kilala na namin yung isa't isa. And yung mga away na yun, parang naging tayo na, alam mo kaya namin makarelate ko pala. And so may kapuputulan ako. Siyempre, ang ano yan is tulungan. It's about knowing na komportable kayo sa isa't isa para lumabas yung potential. And I'm so glad na I could do it with Marco, and of course with Direk at the time na sobrang patient niya sa amin. Binibigyan niya talaga kami ng panahon, kumbaga, na to get into character. Kasi, ano lang to, di ba lang one take? Yes, one take lang to eh. Madami ng shots pero one take. So,
thank you very much. I was talking now. At the top time creator and influencer, next we have CJ Wada of CJ Says Rock.
Congratulations nga pa rin sa movie, and it was fun to react. My question is for Sir Sandy, Direk, Kevin, Marco, and even all you positive bang Manila ang taga-Quezon City? Sir Sandy.
naman. Oo naman. Pwede.
Paano po mag-work? Despite the distance and the traffic.
Kaya yung ginawa nila, nag-live-in.
It's always possible na matagal lang ako and nakita ko rin ako sa taga-QC. So, a lot of sacrifices, but also communications.
Yeah. It's like, you know, now maybe like a couple of years ago, just because there weren't phones, but now it's like you don't have an excuse. If you love somebody, you make it work. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter how. You know, you sacrifice, put in your time, you do everything for it. That should be your reward.
Totoo naman. Naisip ko rin ngayon na parang kahit nga hindi QC alam mo kahit galing akong trabaho, kahit sobrang pagod na pagod ako, like 18 hours of work, pupuntahan ko pa rin yung mahal mo. Hindi pa rin kami kahit at papapunta. So, alam mo yun, like, ang ending na nun is, gano'n mo mahal.
Bahal ko hindi. Hindi, joke lang. Thank you. Sige.
And love knows no boundaries. Next question. Thank you. Raise your hand if you have any questions or ask